Breaking news on Martyn Investors channel. We are looking at Palantir Technologies, ticker symbol PLTR. Look at it run, it's at $58. We were talking about this not too long ago, but buying it around $10, below $10, buying it $27, and now it's at $58. Let me see where this, my thoughts are, where this will go next. Is this the end, or are we going to continue running? Are we too late? Should you be FOMOing in? Let me tell you what I think. But what I tell you is not financial advice. Remember, nothing I say during this video should be taken as financial advice. This is just my thoughts and my thoughts only. So we looked at the stock. We had this major trend line, this blue trend line. As long as we were staying above it, we were still bullish. The trend was the upside. More people were holding the stock. Higher lows. Higher lows means more people were willing to hold the stock for higher prices. That was good. We were tackling all these resistance points, taking them out one by one. Remember, we had buy level around $6. We had buy levels around $10. We had buy levels around $13. I think Martyn was buying the stock or suggesting that this is a good buy around $10, under $10. This stock has performed very well. It's gone exactly as predicted. The only thing I didn't predict is once it breaks out of all-time highs, it's going to continue running this quickly. So what's happened is I said $33, there's nothing in its way. It's just going to run to all-time highs. Once it breaks all-time highs, we have a target of $69, and it looks like that target's going to be reached much quicker than expected. But be careful. It is overbought on the daily. I believe it must be overbought on the weekly as well. The stock is very overbought. It doesn't mean it's going to have to come crashing down. It just means at some point it will cool off, whether it's this week, next week, or the week after. At some point this stock will cool off. And when it cools off, let me give you some levels. If it's one level that won't be too bearish is when the major call off comes, is testing that previous all-time high, just testing it and then continuing moving up. So I would have some buy levels set up at all-time highs if this stock, if you like this stock. I personally don't. I mean, the gains are made, so I wouldn't be buying it at these levels anymore. We've definitely taken our profits now. I've taken my major profits at all-time highs, still holding a bit in case it hits $69, but I wouldn't be looking to buy it now. But yeah, this can come down to $45. It might drop quickly down below at $42 once this call off occurs, or if some bad news comes out. But in the meantime, this stock is probably going to continue moving up. $69, I think, is a major level to certainly take a lot of your profits. Yeah, so $69. I think this is going to just continue moving up to $69 in case, unless there's some major news that comes out, then you might look at being able to buy it again at $45 or dropping just below to $42. But it's well on its way to $69. That's my final target on Palantir, and I hope it reaches it, because that will be a complete trade all the way from $10 to $70 at 7x on a major company in a short amount of time. That would be great. But yes, it might come in for a retest of $45, retesting that previous all-time highs. But if not, and then $69 is the next target, and I think that's where it'll be a nice point to take all my profits. I don't normally take all my profits, but I definitely will once it reaches $69. Until next time, let me know what you think of this stock. Let me know if you want me to do a more in-depth analysis. Let me know by hitting the like button. Let me know in the comment section down below. But until next time, take care of yourselves and each other.